So a lot of persons have asked me, they say, "Sir, how can I make my CorelDRAW workspace dark? I've been using the default white, everywhere is just white, the theme is just white, and some persons even tell me it's affecting my eyes." Okay, so here is how you can do it. It's just a little steps. So you will come to settings right here. This is settings. You can just click on this drop down arrow. I can see customization. So you click on that and here is appearance. So you now see this is the size of your workspace. How do you want it? Do you want to add it? But for me, 100% is okay. I just want it this way. And now the color. So the color, the theme, how do you want it to be? Do you want it light? Do you want maybe medium? How do you want it to be? You can do it there. The window border, well, how do you want it to be? My corridor is misbehaving. Oh, sorry, it was just trying to change. The border, how do you want it to be? What color do you want it? You can just select what you want there. Maybe select red. And now you can see how the border is appearing right now. Okay. Or do you want something blue? Do you love blue color? Maybe something like it's going to take a while to just process the view and to switch to blue. You can see that is this what you want. Okay, let's hold that for the desktop. How do you want it to be? Do you want something dark? Do you want something this way? Do you want something okay? It's blue, white. Is there any color of your choice that you want to make? Maybe like your own design, anything you want, or do you want to change the theme back to maybe uh dark, something like this? So this just it just depends on your specifications how you want it to be. But for me, I prefer black. I go for black, and my window border is black. My desktop is just this color, not black, just something to show a demarcation from the theme and the window border. You understand? And there you go. And all you just need to do is click OK, and you have everything whichever way you want to have it. Okay, so maybe is this too dark? You can still go back to setting and as well change. Sorry, you can still go back to settings and change that. So okay, let's change to dark and see, and hit OK, and you can see this. So I think this works better for me. This works perfectly well for me. So this is how you can just customize the look of your CorelDRAW workspace for maximum productivity. So thank you. Please remember to subscribe to G-Lite.